Say, how do you comment in Python? First of all, what is comment? So whenever you are writing something, giving description about this statement, line of code. So what is this? Storing value 10 into variable a, into variable a. This is the description about this one. Comment, how can you comment single line means what? Hash. Suppose if you want to comment multiple lines, remember that everyone thinking that multiple line comments. Suppose this is multi-line comment in Python. Suppose 4 lines are there. The 4 lines I want to commit means people thinking that either triple single quotes or triple double quotes are used to comment multiple lines. But this is very, very wrong. Python doesn't support multi-line comments. Here, triple single quotes or triple double quotes are used to represent the string only. Suppose if you are creating like this, triple single quotes, this is multi-line string. If you write like this with a triple single quotes ending, when you are printing, then automatically this information will print. Nothing but memory will be allocated. But here it is, you cannot store this into any variable and you cannot print this comment. A very important point is what? Python supports only single line comment. Python doesn't support multi-line comment.